So today's venture takes us down to my friend's store, Troy, at Build-A-Block. Let's check it out.
Could it be? Could it be Bricks our shark right there hanging out with us and the camel? Oh no! Watch out! Click is running amok at Hogwarts!
Now there's a set I haven't seen for a long time. That one right there, the hockey rink set. That's pretty slick.
I've been trying recently to get some, find some weird and bizarre things that's made of Lego, you know, or either that Lego made or...
All of the time, space stuff. Like this stuff here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's obscure anyway.
Yeah.
You know, McDonald's, that's been around years ago.
I just don't like is they keep coming back with the same like reissues of Starfighters, or you know.
Oh yeah, there's
way too much
way too many
Star Wars sets being reissued and just...
Well, it kind of like devalues the new ones a lot right away too. Like nobody cares about the new X-Wing.
That's right.
You know?
Yeah.
It takes a long time for it to appreciate. I mean, it still will eventually appreciate, just not to the same scale.
Okay, here's one I remember my parents buying for me when I was young. It was probably one of my first Technique sets, if it wasn't my very first Technique set. And we got it in Bangor, Maine. That I do remember. At the local Freezy store. And I think it was only like either $12.99 or $24.99 at the time. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.